Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and removing the hard drive and faceplate to expose screws. This prevents damage and gives access. Once done, remove the top shell screws with Torx T8/T10, keeping each screw in a labeled tray so you know exact placement later. You should also remove the disc and disconnect any external cables. Doing this reduces risk and makes internal parts accessible. Make sure to work on a static-free surface and ground yourself to avoid damaging components with electrostatic discharge. Now you'll detach front panel cables and the power button connector carefully to avoid tearing fragile ribbon wires. This is why you label connectors as you go. Next, remove the metal shielding and unscrew the fan and heatsink assembly. Keep track of thermal paste locations because you'll reapply later. Once the screws holding the motherboard are out, lift the board straight up while watching for tucked cables underneath. Doing these steps methodically prevents broken connectors and preserves alignment for reassembly, so don't rush. To finish, clean old thermal paste and apply a thin, even layer before reseating the heatsink so you maintain proper heat transfer. Then torque screws evenly in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping. Reconnect front panel ribbons and the HDD, then power up briefly to confirm fans spin and it posts before snapping the case closed. If it doesn't boot, first reseat all cables and connectors, then check the internal fuse and PSU connector. Swapping a known good HDD or power brick narrows down the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.